Hey, good morning. I am on my way to the airport. Tina Bain here. I wanted to give you a quick overview of what I thought about hip hop abs this morning. I did the ab sculpt and I actually really liked it a lot. The one thing I can tell you is that you can do abs without being on the floor. So if you have issues with being on the floor, getting up and down, or just you don't like to take the time to do that, then most of this video is standing up and you're just doing some different core moves, and it's actually pretty good. I really liked it. And then you do the last little bit, 5 minutes or so, that's on the floor. What I wanted to tell you about the cardio one and this one is that the main thing you have to really concentrate on is keeping your abs tight, keeping that tightness going the whole time that you're working in all your moves. And I really can tell that I can feel my abs working. So I hope you have a great day. I look forward to talking to you again, and heading out to Minnesota where it's really a lot colder than it is in Georgia. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.